lot of hair. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm shaving my face for the first time today with my gel razor, and I'm so excited but also kind of terrified to see all the hair that comes off my face right now. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe all of the hair that came off my face, but my skin is so soft and smooth right now. And honestly, I love the two different blades, being able to use this for my eyebrows and upper lip, and then this for like the larger parts of my face. I'm so excited to add this razor to my routine and just to see the results over time, honestly. So I'm 6 months pregnant, and my last pregnancy I had really bad melasma, so I think this exfoliation, as well as with the breakouts with hormones, all of that will help so much, not just obviously removing the hair, but obviously like spots from acne and then melasma, so I'm so excited to keep using this.